Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to use invoice template variables in Clerk. Clerk Invoices app uses invoicing automation that uses invoice templates and the invoice generator. You can watch a separate detailed video about how that works. And in this video I will just show how to use invoice template variables. Invoice templates are used to generate multiple invoices for multiple clients in bulk. And they allow using special variables that will be replaced by real invoice data at the moment of the invoice generation. We can use variables in any text field. For example, we can use invoiced month and invoiced year in the subject and put invoice public link in the invoice notes. And the invoice generated from this template will look like this. We have invoiced month and year in the invoice subject, and we have secret public link in the invoice notes. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.